occasionally you want to have. We're going to start. I will introduce the panel as we go along. The format is very simple. We're going to give them 3 minutes each, just to set out their stall, make a basic point, and then we'll open it to questions. We're going to start with basically moving down that way. We're going to start with DJ Collins, who is the Director of Communications and Public Policy.
About a month ago, and there was a Twitter hash. I'm not a big Twitter user personally. And the moderator kept getting up through the middle of the talk and reading out what was on Twitter. And it struck me that 30 people in the audience would have been easy just to ask them direct, but such is technology. Really one key point I want to make before we get into the debate is, and this struck me on Sunday when I was thinking about what I was going to say, and looking at the Conservative slogan of vote for change. And it struck me that there's one thing the internet has done over the